Man, these things rock. Literally. Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Klipsch reference AW-650 Outdoor sandstone and granite speakers. These are some amazing speakers by Klipsch, built to blend into those landscapes and really not be seen. Now these guys are going to come with a 6.5-inch woofer for that deep punchy bass, along with two 3/4 tweeters to help deliver those highs. Now obviously there's not a whole lot to the outside of these speakers other than the fact that they look like a rock, but if you look at the bottom, there's a couple things I want to touch on here. So first off, there is going to be a hook so that you can brace it to the ground, so that way it doesn't move as much. You'll also notice that there's 36 inches of speaker wire coming out of the speaker, which is silicone sealed for all the weatherproofing. Now when you buy something like this, usually you're going to have somebody install it, or if you know a little bit about wiring and you want to take that challenge on yourself, it does come with some wire nuts, so you can do that. 36 inches is not going to get to your receiver or amps, so definitely going to have to find some sort of wiring solution. So as far as specs goes, they can handle up to 50 watts, 94 decibels of sensitivity, and an impedance of 8 ohms per channel. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Now, having backyard audio is actually not as complicated as you would think. You do have to wire it so that, you know, the wires go into an amplifier, but overall, I really think that it's a really good investment because it really just brings your backyard to life. Whether you're blasting music and you're having a pool party, or you're just hanging out with your friends in the hot tub, it's just really nice to have that mellow music or super loud music and be able to control it all from your phone. But wait, Justin, how are you controlling it from your phone? These are Klipsch hardwired speakers. You can't do that. Well, you can if you get a Sonos amp, and that's what we did. We did a Sonos amp, integrated it with our Play 5, and it's awesome. I love Sonos, love Klipsch, love merging the two together, and I really think that if you're looking at backyard audio, you should definitely invest in it. So real quick, let's run through a little pros and cons list, starting off with the cons. I'd say the only con is the fact that it's hardwired, thus meaning you're going to have to dig something up and run the wires in a way that might not be easy for your backyard situation. But as far as pros go, I mean, they sound amazing. They're super hidden into your landscapes, and they're all weather, so you don't have to worry about any damage. Now that's going to be about everything that we can cover on these guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you're considering picking them up, visit our website at www.waltz.com. Links will be in the description. Help support a small business. We do ship fast, and we sell to the major US 48. Other than that, we will see you guys in the next one. That's going to be all for this one, and if you guys haven't already, check out some of our other cool videos on products like these. If you guys are interested in getting the best deal on this product, email YouTube@Waltz. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or deals.